Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to export your Telegram contacts. If you want to export your Telegram contacts, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile phone. Make sure you are already logged in, or create a new account if you have not done so yet. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From here, select Contacts. This will open the list of all contacts you have on Telegram. If you want to add a new contact, tap on New Contact and enter their name and phone number. Once saved, they will automatically appear in your contact list. To export your contacts, you will need to use Telegram Desktop on your PC or Mac, because the mobile app does not allow exporting contacts directly. This method ensures that all your contacts are backed up safely and can be imported into other apps if needed. By following these steps, you can easily export and manage your Telegram contacts across devices. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.